I fixed the drain with zip ties. No plumber needed. You'll be surprised how well this simple trick works. A regular zip tie turns out to be incredibly useful. Just grab some scissors and make several diagonal cuts along the tie. Watch how I do it. Don't cut it in half. Just notch it at an angle. Make a few notches, and if you remove the small part between them, you'll create sharp little barbs. A few of these are enough. Each notch should have a pointed tip. Many people struggle with slow drains in sinks or showers, usually caused by hair buildup. Store-bought drain cleaners often don't solve the problem, but with this trick, you won't need a plumber to unclog it. Just insert the modified zip tie deep into the drain, wiggle it around for a moment, and it'll catch the hair stuck inside. Pull it out, throw the hair away, and your drain works like new. Place a sanitary pad in the washing machine. You'll use this trick more often than you think. The pad will help keep your washing machine in perfect condition. Take a sanitary pad and remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick them together. Now, spray the pad with a cleaning solution. The pad is now ready for cleaning. Lift the seal, the rubber part of the drum, and insert the pad inside. Repeat this process until the entire rubber surface of the drum is covered with pads. Leave them for an hour, then remove them. You'll see how much dirt they collected in that time. Use a microfiber cloth to clean any remaining residue on the rubber part. Wipe away any excess liquid with a towel or paper. Your washing machine is as good as new. By using this method, you ensure that the inside of your machine is disinfected and refreshed. The cleaning agents also remove limescale and prevent it from building up again.
Hydraulics are alarming. Most people use laundry capsules incorrectly, leading to internal damage in washing machines. Improperly used capsules can clog pipes, filters, and even damage our clothes. All because of one detail that unfortunately most of us don't know. Capsules appeared in stores a few years ago and quickly became a sales hit. A portion of laundry detergent is placed in a water-soluble coating. It is this coating that can cause a huge problem. You can only use them when you set the washing machine program to the appropriate temperature. The capsule doesn't dissolve properly at too low a temperature. Its residue can build up in the water drainage pipes, creating sludge. This is later responsible for the unpleasant smell coming from the washing machine. Plumbers call this the foul side effect of using capsules. See what happens to the capsule when we use it at a temperature of 86 degrees Fahrenheit. For the purposes of this experiment, we put it in a jar. After 15 minutes, the coating still hasn't dissolved in the water. This is evidence that capsules won't work well during short washing cycles either. Their residues will certainly accumulate in the pipes and on clothes. The situation is different at temperatures above 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The capsule dissolves completely. When using capsules, remember to set the washing machine to a higher temperature and longer washing time. Do you often use capsules? Did you know how to use them correctly?
Place a sanitary pad in the washing machine. You'll use this trick more often than you think. The pad will help keep your washing machine in perfect condition. Take a sanitary pad and remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick them together. Now, spray the pad with a cleaning solution. The pad is now ready for cleaning. Lift the seal, the rubber part of the drum, and insert the pad inside. Repeat this process until the entire rubber surface of the drum is covered with pads. Leave them for an hour, then remove them. You'll see how much dirt they collected in that time. Use a microfiber cloth to clean any remaining residue on the rubber part. Wipe away any excess liquid with a towel or paper. Your washing machine is as good as new. By using this method, you ensure that the inside of your machine is disinfected and refreshed. The cleaning agents also remove limescale and prevent it from building up again. I discovered a genius trick that will transform your washing machine. The results will surprise you. It's simple, cheap, and works every time. Grab some kitchen sponges. The more, the better. Make holes in the middle of each one. I use a soldering iron, but you can also use a knife or a skewer. Thread the sponges onto a string and secure the end so they don't fall off. It's an easy and eco-friendly solution that requires minimal effort. Place them in the washing machine and pour plenty of lemon juice over them. Run the machine without detergent and watch the magic happen. Lemon has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes bad odors. This trick will dissolve dirt and residue, causing bad smells. Not only will your washing machine be refreshed, but the rubber seals will also be cleaned. You'll love how fresh and clean your machine smells afterward. After the cycle, your machine will smell fresh and clean. Give it a try and see the amazing results for yourself. I pour a handful of salt into a new laundry liquid. I'm thrilled with the results. Into a bowl, I pour 2 scoops of laundry liquid. Next, I add about 6 tablespoons of dish soap. It has properties that alter the surface tension of water and create foam. The next ingredient is regular table salt. I add 1 tablespoon to my mixture. Salt is a natural cleaning and disinfecting agent. Finally, I add a cup of vinegar. It has cleaning properties and neutralizes odors. I mix everything and transfer it into a spray bottle. This is my go-to solution for special cleaning tasks. It works great on limescale buildup. When I use it to clean the toilet, there's no unpleasant smell from the drain anymore. It also removes yellow stains from ceramics and toilet seats. The polishing properties are evident when cleaning the bathroom sink. It shines beautifully right away. This cleaner is highly efficient and effective. I've thrown away harsh and harmful detergents. This one is gentle and cleans just as thoroughly. Add fabric softener to vinegar, and the results will surprise you. Start with a bottle of vinegar. It removes grease, limescale, and other stubborn stains. Add a capful of your favorite fabric softener to the bottle. Shake well to mix. Next, take a large bowl and pour in the vinegar softener mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of dish soap for enhanced cleaning power, and mix again. In a small pot, boil 250 milliliters of water with a generous amount of cloves. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties. Once the clove water cools, strain it into the bowl with the other liquids. Pour the final mixture into a container with a dispenser using a funnel. This homemade cleaner is ready to tackle your bathroom, removing limescale and deposits while leaving surfaces shiny. It's also perfect for cleaning countertops and sinks. Add a splash to a bucket of water for mopping floors, leaving them clean and refreshed. The mixture not only eliminates greasy stains and limescale, but also fills the room with a pleasant, fresh scent. It's a simple, affordable, and effective solution for your cleaning needs.